Way down inside me was a pilot light. The good friends tended and fed with tiny kindnesses, and there was comfort in a stranger's bed. From time to time, it has to be said, it just reminded us the brief ignition of a hopeful flame. But there and then gone, it wasn't the same. And then a rostrum struck, the way you read me like you wrote this book. And chapters alone, it's still in your eyes. Now I'm here at your side, as though the street that meets our feet might know. We tried to rhyme or stride.